Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today our topic agenda is top 7 reasons you why you should use Power BI for business analytics. So today we will learn more about this and we will go with Power BI overview. I hope you will like this small presentation which I made. So let's start. Top 7 reasons to use Microsoft Power BI. First of all, let's start with the overview of Power BI. How do you know whether Microsoft Power BI is right for your organization? This is one of the big questions. So, what is Microsoft Power BI? Let's go one by one with each slide and hopefully you will get more information from those slides and presentation. Power BI, Microsoft says it is a business analytics solution that lets you visualize your data and share insights across your organization or embed them in your app or website. The solution comprises several products and services, and value and versatility comes from leveraging the individual elements and taking advantages of how they work together. So yeah, this was the basic of Microsoft Power BI. These are some small icons which we use. So next go to the what is Power BI service. Power BI service is a secure Microsoft hosted cloud service that lets users view dashboards, reports and Power BI apps, a type of content that combines related dashboards and reports using a web browser or via mobile apps for Windows, iOS and Android. So this is little bit about Power BI services. Here you can see that we can use Power BI services from mobile, tablet, small tablet, large tablets or any remote desktop. So next topic is about what is Power BI. Power BI desktop is a free self-service data analysis and report authoring tool that you install on a Windows computer. It can connect to more than 7 on-premises and cloud data sources to turn information into interactive visuals. Data scientists and developer work. This is the overview of Power BI desktop where you can see key influencers, what influencer and units by country and sales, units sold by year, quarter and manufacturer, sales amount by brand name, sales amount by year, month and brand name. In Power BI desktop, user can what user can do in Power BI desktop. So connect to data, transform and model the data, create charts and graphs, create reports and dashboards that are collection of visuals, share reports with others using the Power BI service. In next slide, I will show you some images which are related to the previous slide, which is connect to data, how to connect to data in Power BI. See, in this picture, you can see that We are collecting the data from different channels, from different sources, cloud, internet, access, Excel, SQL, or you can type some data and load the data, transform the data from different sources. How to transform the data from the different resources? You can see in this slide data transformation. Data is coming from Hadoop, uh, data is coming from Hadoop, Oracle, or and some other resources. Okay, and then this data is going to Power Query for Excel, Power Query for Power in BI desktop, and then we can transform this data to either Power Pivot or Excel. Model the data. How to model the data? This image is all about the model of data. So next, go to the next slide and we will see the other things. In next slide, we are having charts and graphs, create reports and graphs, share reports with others. So let's start with charts and graphs. We, here we go with charts and graphs. We are having different charts, we are having different graphs. We can see that uh, this image is copied from one of the internet source. So create reports and graphs. Here we go with the create reports and graphs, and this is a small image for you, just for your information and reference, that how you know about these reports and graphs. Share reports with other. How to share reports with other? We can also share report through Power BI through different channels like customer probability sample, these are the name of the files. So next example of chart for information. These is the sale chart for different categories. I did not mention the name of each category, but you can mention like sale in 2010, sale in 2011, 2011, 2012, 2012, 2022. So whatever you want to mention, so you can write over here. The next example is example of table to extract the data and make graphs reports. This is the small image of data for sale in 2018, 2009, 2010, and so on. 2011. Yes. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, 4.5, 3.2, 2.1. You can consider this 4.5 percentage, or you can whatever you want to consider, you can consider this just for a report purpose. Next is the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Next is top 7 reasons to use Power BI. This is one of our major topic of this presentation, but as I mentioned early in my video, that first we will discuss about overview of Power BI. It will be helpful for all of you. So let's continue with our main topic, top 7 reasons to use Power BI. First one, here are 7 reasons to choose Power BI and one reason you may want to choose something else. A quick start. The good thing in Power BI is to quick a start. Streamlined publication and distribution, real-time information, ability to customize Power BI app navigation, ability to customize security features, container apps, artificial intelligence. So these are some small Power BI reasons. So we will go in the next slide one by one. So hope you will understand with each. First one, a quick start. In the quick start, what you can do, you will be able to get insights quickly with an uncompleted complicated setup, no required training, and included dashboard for services such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Microsoft Dynamics. So this is the small overview of about a quick start. So next, like it's already highlighting because I mentioned some transition. Second one is streamlined publication and distribution. Instead of emailing larger files or putting them on a shared drive, analysts upload reports and visualization to the Power BI service, and their data is refreshed whenever the underlying dataset is updated. This is one of the good thing in Power BI, that your data is streamlined publication and distribution. Whenever you want to make any changes or any modification in dataset, so you can easily refresh refresh services, and you will see the visualization as per the dataset. Next one is real-time information. Dashboards update in real time as data is pushed or streamed in, which gives viewers the ability to solve problems and identify opportunities quickly. Any report or dashboard can display and update real-time data and visuals. Source of streaming data can be factory sensors, social media source, or anything from which time sensors collect. So this is the small information about real-time information, which is very good in Power BI. There is no hectic, there is no big load to uh, modify the data and then make some new dashboard or something like that. So it's very easy. Fourth one is ability to customize Power BI app navigation. An app navigation experiences feature gives report developers the power to customize navigation to help viewers find content quickly and understand the relationships between different reports and dashboards. This is also one of the big ability to customize Power BI app navigation. The next one is ability to customize security features. Report developers can set up row-level security access filters to ensure that viewers can see only data relevant to them. The risk of people seeing data they shouldn't. So the sixth one is Cortana integration, which is one of the best use. Power BI works with Microsoft Digital Assistant Cortana. Users can verbally ask questions in natural languages. This is one of the most beautiful use of Power BI. Um, Access charts. Users can verbally ask questions in natural language to access charts and graphs. This can especially helpful for users with mobile devices. It's one of the good feature in Power BI. Seven one is artificial intelligence. Power BI users can access image recognition and text analytics, create machine learning models, and integrate with Azure Machine Language. This was one of the last and most important things was in Power BI was artificial intelligence. So next is, why would you want to pass on Microsoft Power BI? This is one of the big questions everyone asks about Microsoft Power BI. Why? So let's go with the answer. Well, the online Power BI service, including Pro and Premium, is accessible from any web browser, which is very good. Any online Power BI service, including Pro and Premium, is accessible from any web server. But the Power BI desktop application is not available for Linux or Mac operating system. If you are in a Mac only environment, Microsoft Power BI desktop may not be right there. So these are some answers for you. I'm just highlighting all these texts all in. So next one is Summary of Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated source of data into coherent, visual, immersive, and interactive insights. So, this is the small summary of Microsoft Power BI. Thank you for watching and sharing my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comments. Hopefully you like this video, this small presentation which I I was learning more about this top 7 reasons. So hope you like my small presentation. If there is any mistake or anything, you can comment. You can give your feedback. So I will improve my presentation accordingly. Please your kind feedback for this small presentation about Power BI and its 7 most reason for use. I hope you people like this video and it will be informative for all of you. So keep in touch, subscribe to my channel, support to my channel, likes and comments. Please don't forget your feedback. Your comments will be highly appreciated for me.